Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let me ask you a few questions. Do you feel exhausted? क्या आपको थकान महसूस होती है हमेशा? Are you prone to disease? क्या आपको हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ बीमारी होती रहती है? कभी जुकाम, कभी सर्दी, कभी खांसी। क्या आपको स्ट्रेस है? ऑफिस का, काम का प्रेशर है? क्या आपको रात को नींद नहीं आती? क्या आपको जोड़ों में दर्द होता है? शरीर में दर्द होता है, पेन होता है? सुबह उठ के दर्द होता है, शाम को ऑफिस से या काम से लौटने के बाद दर्द होता है? Then I have a solution for you. So today I will talk about the magical Ayurvedic herb called Ashwagandha, the Indian ginseng. I am taking it for a couple of years from now, and I am getting the benefits. Let me impart this knowledge to you all. So let's get started. Benefits of Ashwagandha, magical Ayurvedic medicine, the miraculous Ayurvedic adaptogen. Ashwagandha is an evergreen shrub that grows in India, Nepal, the Middle East, and parts of Africa. Its roots and orange-red fruit have been used for hundreds of years for medicinal purposes. The herb is also called Indian ginseng or winter cherry. The name Ashwagandha describes the smell of its root like a horse. Scientific name Withania somnifera, known commonly as Ashwagandha, Indian ginseng, poison gooseberry or winter cherry. Nutritional value of Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is rich in antioxidants, iron, tannins, nitrates, potassium, glucose and fatty acids. Ashwagandha is a nutritional prize. Ashwagandha comprises of some essential steroidal alkaloids called somniferine, somnine, anferine and withanolides. It contains an abundance of flavonoids, lactones and acylstearyl glucosides. Good amount of manganese, zinc and copper are present in Ashwagandha. What does Ashwagandha cure? Ashwagandha is an ancient medicinal herb with multiple health benefits. The top 10 health benefits are: Number 1. It reduces anxiety and stress, help lower cortisol levels in chronically stressed individuals. Number 2. Helps in reducing blood sugar levels, reduces blood sugar levels through its effects on insulin secretion and sensitivity. Number 3. Helps in fight cancer. Vitaferin, a bioactive compound in Ashwagandha, promotes the death of tumor cells and may be effective against several types of cancer. Number 4. Ashwagandha increases muscle mass, reduces body fat and increases stamina and strength. Number 5. Ashwagandha improves bone health. It increases natural killer cell activity and decreases markers of inflammation. Number 6. Ashwagandha boosts immunity. It improves thyroid function. Number 7. It helps reduce the risk of heart disease by decreasing cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Number 8. Ashwagandha helps fight and reduce depression. Number 9. Ashwagandha boosts fertility and helps increase testosterone. Number 10. Ashwagandha boosts brain function. Ashwagandha helps improve brain function, memory, reaction time and the ability to perform tasks. Supplementing with Ashwagandha may be an easy and effective way to improve your health and quality of life. What does Ashwagandha do for the body? It's classified as an adaptogen, meaning that it can help your body manage stress. Ashwagandha also provides numerous other benefits for your body and brain. For example, it can boost brain function, lower blood sugar and cortisol levels, and help fight symptoms of anxiety and depression. Is it safe to take ashwagandha daily? Ashwagandha is considered safe for most people. However, pregnant or breastfeeding women as well as people with autoimmune disease such as lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, type 1 diabetes and Hashimoto's disease may need to avoid it. What are the side effects of ashwagandha? Although ashwagandha supplements taken for anxiety and stress specifically are generally well tolerated when taken short term, week to a few months in typical dosages, mild to moderate side effects such as headache, sleepiness and stomach upset have been reported in clinical studies. When should I take ashwagandha? Traditionally, it is used as a powder mixed with honey and warm milk for calming vata and regulating your sleep and wake cycles. You can also have a cup of hot milk mixed with 1 tablespoon of powdered ashwagandha before bedtime. Nowadays, you get capsules and tablets of different companies which you can take morning and evening post your meals. Is ashwagandha good for females? Mineral-dense ashwagandha enhances communication within the complex endocrine system, strengthening the adrenal glands, reducing cortisol, and increasing the production of blood. The increased blood flow and regulated hormones have a positive effect on libido and menstrual health and can also aid in fertility in females. Thank you for supporting. Keep watching. We'll bring more interesting videos in this channel for you. Thank you.